So this is the North American Rescue wound packing gauze. This is a Z-folded gauze that has a radio-opaque blue stripe through it that is detectable on X-ray. This is primarily meant for packing wounds, especially arterial bleeds, especially if you are using this gauze to back up a quick clot. So if you pack it with a quick clot, you can back this up. If it's a large wound, pack this on top of the quick clot. But that blue stripe allows the trauma surgeons to be able to make sure they've removed all the gauze from that wound when this patient goes into surgery. This is 3 inches wide by 5 yards long. This is vacuum sealed in this real small form factor. It's great to keep in a first aid kit. And this is a little different than the compressed gauze that North American Rescue has as well. That compressed gauze is just rolled. This is actually Z-folded, so it's easier to wound pack. So we'll go ahead and open this up and show you what it looks like inside. So this wound packing gauze has convenient tear tabs here at the top. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Pull this out, and this is what it looks like before we actually start pulling it apart. Okay, so once you pull it out, I will open this up, and as you can tell, this is a Z-fold gauze. It's just folded back on itself, and there's that blue stripe that runs down the middle. That blue stripe, again, is detectable on X-ray. So, again, that is 3 inches by 5 yards once this is all stretched out. So that is a rundown of the North American Rescue wound packing gauze. You can find this available on our website at 6ecosystems.com.